The lazy donkey. Once upon a time, in a village lived a small trader. He used to trade different types of things in the market for the money. The trader had one donkey and used to put sacks of goods on the donkey's back to take them to the market to sell. The trader was very kind towards the donkey and used to care for him. He used to bathe him, kept him neat and clean, and gave him good food to eat, as the donkey was very important for his business. The donkey was young and strong and could take many sacks on his back, carrying them to the market. But he was also very lazy and did not like to work at all. The donkey only wanted to rest, dream, eat and sleep. And he often used to say every morning,
"Oh no, another day of work. We have to go to the market again. The master should take a holiday. I love holidays. Why is this man obsessed with his work?"
But the donkey did not know that if the trader took a day off, then they would not eat and there'll be no food for him and the trader. To reach the market, they had to cross a river, and the trader used to take special care of the donkey while crossing the river. One day, the trader heard about a huge demand for salt in the market and decided to sell it. He arranged for the sacks of salt. He loaded the sacks on the back of the donkey and went to the market. And then he said, "Oh, poor donkey." He could not even walk. They started walking towards the market and sold all the sacks of salt that day. The trader started selling salt every day. The donkey used to carry heavy sacks of salt every day to the market. A few days passed by and the trader continued selling salt, until one day, as they reached the river and were crossing it, the donkey slipped off and some of the salt dissolved in the river water. The trader pulled the donkey out of the river. The donkey felt that the sacks on his back felt light. The next day, the donkey thought,
"Aha, perfect. I'll repeat my little river trick every day."
When the trader and the donkey were crossing the river, he again slipped, this time purposefully.
"Oh, perfect. I don't have to work any longer. Every day, I'm going to slip into the water, and then the salt's going to dissolve in the river water, and then I don't have to do any work."
Until eventually, the trader discovered his secret. The next day, the trader loaded 3 sacks of cotton on the donkey's back, and off they went to the market. When they were crossing the river, the donkey slipped again, but when he got up, he felt that the sacks were heavier than before. He kept on crying, moaning, limping.
"Ah, what's wrong with me today? Why are these sacks getting heavier and heavier and heavier? Oh my God, I'm getting breathless. What's wrong today?"
He kept on crying and limping towards the market. The trader had switched the sacks of salt with sacks of cotton. The cotton absorbed the river water and became heavier. And then he said to the donkey, "Ha ha, you thought you could fool me." The donkey carried the 3 heavy cotton sacks to the market and then came back home. From that day onwards, the donkey never dared to show laziness to his master again. Then the trader said to the donkey, "You see, my dear donkey, hard work is important. Trying to avoid responsibilities only leads to heavier burdens."